Hey GlamDollz, I'm here today to share with you all some new Bolero fragrances that popped up in my local Dollar Tree. I'm going to begin by digging in this bag. That's what's going to make this as much fun for me as it should be for you waiting to see what new fragrance by Bolero did MGA find this time. Yes, oh my gosh. So I know some, you know, this isn't new to some, but it was new coming into my local Dollar Tree. So I want to start out with the body oils, okay? The coconut oil and sea salt, which is a hydrating body oil that looks like this right here. And oh my gosh, these smell so good. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. Anyhow, the coconut oil and sea salt, I do use this on my body, you know, skin, whatever, hair, face, you name it. It is fabulous for when you just getting out, like right before you get out your bath or right before you get out your shower. You rub this into your skin and then you just stand there and give your skin a final rinse off, and when you get out, your spouse ain't gonna be able to keep their little hands off of you, because this not only smells amazing, it leaves your skin incredibly soft and it's suitable for sensitive skin, because you know I can't put everything on my skin, but this does work for me. And these are the body oils, so I picked up 2 of those. And that was, oh I'm sorry, that was the coconut oil and sea salt. But wait, this was the new fragrance that they had up in there, the honeysuckle and green tea. When I tell you get this, you better not just get one. I'm telling you, snatch more than one. Just snatch more than one. Thank me later. I also picked up the honeysuckle and green tea pure vegetable soap. Yes ma'am, pure vegetable salt. Ain't no parabens or nothing up in here. This smells, it just smells so amazing. And the one that I did open, it lathers quite nicely. It lathers enough for my preference of satisfaction, but you know, you get a lot of soap to this box, so I got that. Then I picked up the coconut oil and sea salt bath soap. Yes, this is equivalent to you using like Epsom salt, you know, but this is the coconut oil and sea salt version, and it says detoxifying, deep cleansing and healing bath minerals, ease muscle discomfort and soften skin, soothe and comfort your body by soaking in a warm bath. Yes, doll. So you can also use this for when you're doing your pedicure, you know, like if you want to sprinkle some of it in the water. I do that too. So I got that. I picked up another fizzing bath bomb in fresh cucumber and bamboo. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. This bath bomb is so amazing. It smells very, very good. It says drop into bathtub full of water, sit back and relax. They're not lying, especially if you're into aromatherapy. This fizzing bath bomb is your answer. And this fragrance is fresh cucumber and bamboo. Speaking of bath bombs, I picked up some more of the mini bath bombs that was floating around. This is the Moroccan mint and raspberry that comes in the pack like this. These are the mini bath bombs, and this is Italian pear that looks like this right here. So I picked up these mini bath bombs again because I could never have too, you know, too much or too less of them, and I like using these for like when I do go and get my pedicure and whatnot. Right before I put my foot in the water to soak, I drop a little mini bath bomb in there and I go ahead and I let it soak, because when, you know, I go for the pedicure, that stuff that they sprinkle in the water, I honestly be feeling like they using it sparingly, like it's not enough. So now I just tell the girl or the guy, you know, you ain't gotta put that in there. I drop this in the water. They be side-eyeing me, but can't tell me how I'm about to spend my money. And if I want something of quality, I want something of quality, and this right here is going to give you that quality. Okay, still going on. Okay, this, oh, another fizzing bath bomb, same thing, fresh cucumber and bamboo. So I got 2 of those. Still with the bath bombs. Oh my gosh, I got a bigger one. This is Italian Pear Bath Fizzer, and looks like this right here, the Bath Fizzer. It's equivalent to the ball. It's just that this is round and this is square. It's the same kind of thing. Don't get deceived by the packaging. It's both for fizzers and they just in 2 different packaging. That's all. That. And I picked up the honeysuckle and green tea bath soap that looks like this right here. Remember, I was telling you these are equivalent to you like Epsom salt, but instead this is by the Bolero line. And with this one, it's for aromatherapy and it's cruelty free. It has no artificial dyes or parabens or any of that harmful stuff in you that can be harmful to your skin or the environment. Okay, and this one detoxifies as you soak. So got that right there. And I found the coconut oil body wash. This was such a hard find. Oh my gosh, it took forever. I'm glad I got my hands on it. This is the body wash, and once again, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. And this lathers quite nicely, again, for my preference. When I do, you know, put it on my loofah or whatever, it lathers quite generously enough for me and my preference. So got that. Then I picked up the honeysuckle and green tea face wipes, GlamDollz. Yes, let me tell you, these stay right on my nightstand in my bedroom. Okay, when I'm drifting off to sleep or something, going to bed, I pull one out, wipe my face down or whatever, and lay there and just go to sleep in peace. This gives me such a cooling, I don't even know how to explain it. It's a soothing, cooling feeling when I wipe my face with this right before I go to bed. And on here it says use daily in addition to your normal skin regimen to give skin added protection against premature aging. Hello. And the sun and with pollution. Anything that's going to say premature aging or anti-aging, you know your girl is all over it. So they always get me with the anti-aging, premature aging, but seriously speaking, this does help. It does work. I have noticed a difference in my skin while using this. You know, my skin, when I wake up, I don't look so dull in the morning, like, you know, like I'm really tired or anything like that. So it does wake my skin up. So I've been using that. And oh my gosh, the video is over. Probably because I was running my mouth more than I was showing you. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, I got the body cream. Okay, not the lotion. I got the body cream by the Bolero, the honeysuckle and green tea. And it says love your skin from head to toe with this creamy and sweet body cream. Pamper your skin for up to 24 hours of hydration. Remember when I told you, you spritz this on your skin right before you get out your bath or your shower, and then you just give yourself a final rinse. You pat yourself dry. This leaves your skin incredibly, well, let me say this, this leaves my skin incredibly soft. Okay, a little bit of this goes a long way. Now when I combine this with the body cream, baby, that's for the 21 and plus crowd. I think you just read in between those lines right there. Anyway, dolls, that's about it. Oh look, I got another one right here. So you know me, I went in on these. I was not playing. I went in on these things right here. The body oils. Baby, you know, 21 and plus, 21 and plus. Anyhow, dolls, that just concluded the video. Oh my god, I had so much fun standing here sharing these new Bolero fragrances that popped up in my local Dollar Tree. I was happy to, you know, be here and share them with you all today. If you have a local Dollar Tree near you, I do encourage that you get yourself in there, pick up anything that you may have seen of interest, and if you really have an interest in it, you get more than one. Because one thing that I know we all can agree on in the Dollar Tree community, this is what we all can agree on: once something is gone, it is gone, and you don't know when it's coming back. So seriously speaking, if you did see something of interest that I've shown you in this video and you do find it, you better rack up. On that note, dolls, I said it before, but for real, this just concluded the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to the Miss Glam Addict YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Join in on this amazing official GlamDollz community. If you're a newbie passing through and you're seeing me for the very first time, welcome. My name is Glam, but all the official GlamDollz in this community, and when I say official, that means subscribe GlamDollz, they call me MGA. I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who love not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. So when you subscribe and join in this community, that's exactly what you're going to get, is me sharing a lot of fab beauty on a budget finds with you all. So subscribe if you haven't, but don't forget, we still gonna have to stay socially connected. So do keep in mind, I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter, same name, with more beauty alerts and fab beauty on a budget finds. So I'm gonna put this stuff away, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.